All right, hello again. Welcome to Graco Live. My name is Tom Malik, Tech Information Specialist here at Graco for our HPCF, AFTD for high performance coatings and foam. With you today, I've got Niles Hickman. He's our new product marketing manager for single leg component machines such as our King sprayers and such. Niles, how's it going today?
Very good. Thanks for having me.
Perfect. Thanks for coming with us today. So, just want to get you out here so we can introduce you to the people, to get to know since you're new to the role. Tell us a little bit more about yourself, where you come from, what have you been doing at Graco for the last couple of years?
Sure. So started as an intern with Graco, worked in the process division on the electrification of the double diaphragm pumps, and then started full-time and was actually an engineer on the EQP, which is the smallest, the portable eco-equip blasting unit, and then did a hero role where I supported some of the field issues that come in when they call tech assistants and maybe the problem isn't quite apparent as to what's going on. Sometimes they'll get engineering involved, and I've done a fair amount of traveling because of that and got to meet a lot of end users heavily in the foam and protective coating side of the house. And then, like you said, as a recent, got promoted into product manager for the single leg protective coating and eco-equip lines.
Oh, that's definitely a good thing to have a kind of a very varied background where you've got, engineering background. You've also got, some background with getting in there with a wrench and actually helping people out in the field. Like, I still get guys calling and saying, oh, yeah, Niles came out a couple months ago and he was helping us fix stuff. And then
it was broke again.
Yeah, and then it was broke again. That does happen. So, yeah, but, it's good. You've got a really good, wide variety background of things that you've done within Graco, which I think is really going to apply well with your new role and such. So,
thank you.
Well, absolutely. So, talk to us about some of your new products that you're kind of working on, the things that you're taking over from your line, be it from, small sprayers, big sprayers, anything in that line. Tell us a little bit more about it.
Sure. So there's definitely a focus as products move forward and develop into, starting with the electrification. I mean, compressed air is not cheap. It's not getting any cheaper. And so there's a lot of customers that are really starting to focus and transition their whole product line over to like the Z's or the EXs, and start to see those savings across the board when they're not paying to have that large compressor running. A very, very large amount of customers that are liking the 110 or 120 volt, whatever you want to look at it, but plug into the wall options. And seeing those high pressure ratings and able to spray those coatings that they're all familiar with, but quieter and cheaper to run the equipment.
Yeah,
so.
And then they got the the utility of if they had to bring behind a large tow behind compressor before, now they can bring a regular trailer or they can take a lighter truck or they can do a lot of things. So it opens up a lot of doors and opportunities, I think, for people to be able to get into some of the protective coating sprayers.
Absolutely.
And it's good to know that we have a wide variety of pressure rating sprayers too. You've got our older legacy machines that we've had for a while in the 3,000, 4,500 psi range, but now we even offer things in the 6,000 psi range in the electric sprayer, which is definitely going to open it up for some people.
Absolutely. Along with the variety of tips that Graco offers, it just really opens some doors. There's been developments in that technology as of recent, even in other divisions that are allowing some of those more viscous coatings to be sprayed at a little lower pressure. So
absolutely, yeah. So it's definitely something to keep in mind and keep looking forward to. So if you have any questions or concerns, about our video, once again, remember to post some comments below. Feel free to talk to us there or even email us direct. You can reach me at aftdtechsupport@graco.com. Again, my name is Tom. And if you have any other questions for us or for Niles in the future, please feel free to reach out to us, and we will gladly get you an answer at a possible time. All right. Well, thank you so much for joining us today, and we will see you again soon.
Thanks for having me.